This is me, standing at a traffic signal. I'm not wearing a helmet because there is no traffic police around. But look at this tiny thing. ESP32-CAM pointed right at me. It WhatsApped a picture of me to this traffic police at some other signal. In this video, we are going to build a smart helmet detection system using ESP32-CAM and cloud from scratch. Without further delay, let's jump in. For this project, we only need first, connect all the components according to the circuit diagram. Now, keep the hardware aside for a moment. Because before testing the smart helmet detection system with the real hardware, let's try it out without using the real hardware with only cloud. At first, open circuitdigest cloud in the browser. Log in. If you don't have an account, create one. Now, scroll down and open the helmet detection section. Inside, you will find API configuration, usage logs and confidence adjustment slider. You can increase or decrease the confidence slider according to your requirements. Now, let's test it without the hardware. Upload any image containing riders with wearing helmet and without helmets into the Try API section. Then click Run. Within seconds, the cloud analyzes the image and returns bounding boxes, helmets and no helmets count for the riders, and confidence values for each detection. And honestly, seeing a tiny cloud system detects riders that accurately feels insane. Now, let's connect this cloud with real hardware. Scroll down to the code section, select ESP32-CAM. There is also code available for Raspberry Pi. You can use according to your need. Copy the code and paste it in Arduino IDE. Now, simply change the Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password, and that's it. The API key gets auto-filled. Upload the code, but wait, did you notice one important thing here? We didn't do any model creation, image labeling or dataset creation. Yes, the cloud handles everything automatically. That means you can directly use a ready-made system without going through a complicated machine learning workflows. Once powered on, the ESP32-CAM automatically connects to the Wi-Fi and start communicating with the cloud. Now, point the camera towards riders wearing helmet or not. The green LED turns on after power up, indicating the system is ready and the image capture window is open. The green LED turns off and the red LED turns on, signaling the system will be captured shortly. The ESP32-CAM captures the JPEG image and sends it to the cloud for the helmet detection. Within seconds, the system provides real-time detection results in the serial monitor as well as instant WhatsApp alerts with detection details. We also return separate codes for manual trigger mode and automatic detection mode. You can find both inside the helmet detection GitHub repository. And this is just the beginning. You can further improve the system by adding cloud dashboards, traffic analytics, real-time violation databases, number plate recognition. Oh, wait, we have already done this number plate recognition project, so don't forget to check it out by clicking the I button at the top. Since the ESP32-CAM has a limited memory and processing power, integrated too many sensors or advanced features can quickly make the system unstable or messy. This project depends on the cloud APIs. There are also daily API request limits and monthly API usage limits. So, if the request counts exceeds the allowed limit, the detection system may temporarily stop working until the limit resets. That's where more powerful hardware or self-hosted systems can help in future upgrades. If you really enjoy this project, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, don't forget to wear your helmet.